Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a kind of juicing I have not done before on this channel, so we'll be trying this particular juice for the first time in this channel. And if you're stumbling on my video for the first time, this video is for you. Are you like someone who wants to balance your weight, or you want to start your weight loss journey for the summer and you don't even know how to do it or where to start? Join me in this channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel because I share a lot of good content that is good for you, for weight loss, healthy recipes, juicy lifestyle, everything that is juicy for your lifestyle, for you to live a healthy, balanced life. Weight loss journey is something that it's not just about losing the fats, the visceral fats and all those things, but also living healthy, to be more healthy and to be more active. You know what I mean? So in a nutshell, I don't want to take much of your time. This video is strictly for this juicing. This particular juice, I'll be using some kale, some lemon, some pears, some green apples, some green grapes, some cucumber, some celery and some ginger to make this a wholesome green juice. And I do this in the morning. I drink a glass or a cup. I will be showing you the cups, the cups that I use to measure each of these. I take each of that cup in the morning with an empty stomach, and before that I must have taken my green tea or something. But I always like balance the two. Either I take green tea before I take the green juice, or I take the green juice and take my green tea after. So that's basically what sometimes the week I juice, that is what I take in the morning. But if I don't juice, I do my normal tea. I make my own personal tea, and I also take the green tea. So that is what I use to balance myself, to have lost belly fat to this extent. And if you're just stumbling on my video for the first time, please consider subscribing, because if you look back on the video, I've made a lot of videos about my weight loss journey. I don't want to make this video too long, so stay tuned. Just hit the subscribe button if you have not done so, and let's come. So here are the ingredients. Before I continue with this video, please, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. These are the ingredients: the green apples, some cucumber, some celery, some ginger, some kales, some green grapes, some pears, and some citron or whatsoever, lemon or whatsoever. It works very well. Chop them according to how it will fit in the blender, and then blend everything together, and it's so beautiful. This green juice is so perfect. And I have had some clients who have ordered for this particular green juice. I always mix them. Either I put kales, I put spinach. At sometimes I always alternate the green. I just look at the green the green vegetables and then just mix them together. Sometimes I do the cabbage juicing, but this particular one I usually mix kales and spinach, but on separate juices depending on how much or who the customer is that I'm supposed to supply. But this particular juice was for myself, so I wasn't delivering this to anybody. But I want to use this opportunity to thank everyone who has patronized me to order some fresh juices. This is a game changer in my weight loss journey. I will not lie. The week I do this juicing, I lose a lot of calories, I lose a lot of weight, but because I drink at least 2 of these cups in the morning, and then before I take anything. So when I juice this particular week, I don't eat anything in the morning, just the juices, the tea, and just the juice and the tea that I take in the morning. So it has really helped me so well. And as a woman, you need to cleanse. And in fact, not just as a woman, as a person, as a human being, you need to take care of your gut. The gut plays a very vital role, especially when it comes to bloating, it comes to weight loss. And the exercise is good, but your gut cleansing is one of the top priority that you should be prioritizing in your weight loss journey. And if you're beginning your weight loss journey, you are not made a mistake to stumble upon this video. And if you start your weight loss journey with this, because these are the tips I did not know when I started my weight loss journey, I would have lost a lot of pounds, because weight loss is very quick when you start, because your body is trying to rearrange to adjust itself to the newfound routine, to the newfound way of life, and try to capture the new methods, the new mechanism you're using to burn fat. But when you get deep and when you make it a routine and you go deeper into the weight loss journey, it becomes very slow to lose weight. So I will always advise anyone who is up to the weight loss journey to take it very seriously when you start your journey, so that you lose all the weight. I mean, it goes very quick. In the first few months, you can lose more than 20 kilograms if you're really into it, and if you're taking your juicing very seriously, like I'm talking about. You take your gut cleansing very seriously and a top priority, more than even the exercise. Exercise is good, it's beneficial, but their gut is more like 80% of your weight loss journey. If your gut is intact, then you will definitely lose even the stubborn fat. It will take you some time, but you are going to burn it. I mean it. You're going to burn it. So if you are just thinking to start your weight loss journey, especially before the summer, you want to get your summer body, you want to get fit, you just want to cleanse your body, you have been fighting with bloating, you have been fighting with weight loss, you have been struggling with weight loss with repeatedly on and off seasons, you have gained the weight back, then this channel is for you to keep. I just share recipes, I share ideas, I share tips on how you can be able to live sustainably in your weight loss journey. Not something you start today and give up tomorrow. So I've been searching for these particular recipes or tips that will help me to stay consistent. I have read a lot, I have done a lot of research, and you should do yours as well. Do what works for you. So back to the video. We have chopped all our ingredients, and now I am blending it, and you can see I added a little bit of water, not much water, because I don't want too much water to be saturated with water. So at the first blend of it, I actually used this sieve, but it wasn't good enough, so I took my chiffon cloth, this one, to be able to use it, and it went so smoothly and it goes perfectly well. It takes me just a couple of few minutes and I'm done with the squeezing. It squeezes it without any traces of like small crumbs. It doesn't give any of those, so it just makes the juice so perfect and so smooth after juicing. So this is the first batch done already, and you can see I'm trying to show you how beautiful this actually juice. This is very dry, and with this you have to use a lot of energy, So this is the second batch I'm adding, and I'm using the juice I have juiced to blend the remaining part of it, so that I don't want it to be too watery. I want the nutrients to be intact, and I want that if I take 1 cup of this drink in the morning, it should be more efficient, So I don't want too much water in it, because if I had to use my juicer, it will still give me the same, almost equivalent to the same amount of juice I am going to get from this particular recipe. So don't say that I don't have a juicer and I cannot juice. I can do even this method and I will still deliver to my customers and it will be perfect. So I am just a small business owner who is doing something I like, or I'm just doing something I like, And at the end of the day, people are looking at it and patronizing me. Those who cannot do it, they have to pay for me to do it for them, to be able to get these juices to their doorsteps without stress. And you can see it's not everyone who loves to do all this peeling everywhere and stuff like that, but I love what I'm doing. I love the process, and it is so satisfying for me. I am so glad that I don't need to buy the one that have been added a preservative. They have added preservatives, they have added sugar, they have added all sorts of things. I know what I'm consuming. So the juice is ready at this point, and I tasted that. It was tasting so good. As green as it is, this is how it works for your gut. Everything green, everything nutrient, everything balanced. I mean, even during this summer period where there's a lot of dehydration, there's sun, there's dryness, the air is dry. I mean, you take these three of these containers in a day, you are very sure of your hydration, because I'm sure you will not just take this juice, you will equally take it with water, you will take it with coffee, you take other fluids that will give you the 2,000 mils of fluids that we're supposed to consume in a day. But during winter and during cold seasons like this, it's really difficult. I bet you it's really difficult to get hydrated. But with juicing like this, it makes it more easy for me to take the amount to hydrate properly. So this is perfect, and it was done perfectly, and everything is done. So if I put this on my shelf, if I put this on the internet, in the shop, would you not be able to buy this with a lot of money? You will buy it, because if I put only the name tag on it, and I begin to sell it, it's so amazing. But if just keep your orders coming in, guys. I do any kind of juice you want. Just name it, anything. Just come and patronize your girl. I'm at your service, and I'm ready. You can get my contact or get contact to me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video, comment if you're going to be jumping on this journey. Let's have a taste. So let's try it. This is delicious.